Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fit more apps in the folders on Samsung S25 Plus. Let's begin. Now, as you can see, we have a 3x4 grid, meaning that in a single row, we only have 3 applications. And in order to change that, we simply need to go to Settings, scroll a little bit until you'll see Home Screen. No, not Themes. Oh, sorry. Home Screen. And here at the bottom you can see Folder Grid. And as you can see, we can change it to 4x4. And if we now check out our folder, we can see that we have much more space in our folder. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. Thanks for watching.